Large industrial machines are essential for mass production, but in research and small batch production, they often face challenges: large footprints, complex operation, and difficulties controlling dust. Introducing CF200, a compact, easy-to-operate, clean and efficient SLS 3D printer, designed specifically for professional R&D and small batch production. Occupying less than 1 square meter, the CF200 frees valuable workspace in labs or offices. Supports standard 220-volt power input. Just plug in and start, offering maximum convenience. Its innovative top feed, bottom discharge powder supply system ensures efficient use of space and simplifies operation. The CF200 offers a generous 200 by 200 by 320 mm build chamber, supporting high-precision printing and a variety of powders, including PA11, PA12, and TPU, satisfying versatile research and production needs. The intuitive interface makes setup effortless with just one click to start. Industrial-grade performance ensures consistent, high-quality, and precise parts with every print job. After printing, the powder cake is transferred into the PPS200 powder processing station using a fully enclosed box. The entire process is pollutionless, maintaining a clean, dust-free workspace. The PPS200 can automatically finish pot to powdering, powder collecting, powder mixing, and transferring powder back to the printer. Integrated fresh air and negative pressure systems contain dust and odor, keeping the workspace clean without additional protective equipment. Together, CF200 and PPS200 form a highly efficient, fully integrated clean production solution. The system is CE certified, safe, reliable, and fully compliant with international standards. From research labs to small manufacturers, from prototype production to artistic design, CF200 and PPS200 make every print task effortless. TPM3D, CF200, and PPS200, small in form, limitless in potential.